Welcome to episode 2 of Flipping PCs until I buy whatever I want. So right now, I want to buy an A1 from Maybu Labs. It's a 3D printer because my current one is not cutting it. And I have $200 right now saved up for it. I replaced the guy's motherboard last episode. And this episode, I bought a PC from Mercari, which is an online marketplace, kind of like eBay. And I'm going to fix it, and then I'm going to flip it for money. This is definitely not good. Take pictures so I can send it to the seller. Alright, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna update the GPU drivers and I'm gonna see if it works because it's artifacting right now, so hopefully it'll work after. Alright, so it came, I unboxed it and everything, as you guys saw. And I want to add cable extensions in. I want to change the CPU cooler to one that has RGB on it and also one that is a little bit bigger. And then the GPU is also artifacting, so I need to replace it. And I messaged the seller and he said he would pay for replacement. So I need to order a new 3070. And then also the bottom two fans, I want to move to the top, make them look a little bit better because the top looks quite empty right now. So I'm going to order those parts and then I can put them into the PC. So I put all the parts in, so I replaced the CPU cooler. I moved the two fans to the top like I said I would. I replaced the GPU with one from EVGA. So amazing because all their GPUs are amazing, right? And then I also added cable extensions in and it looks way cleaner now. So I'm going to plug it in and then I'll see if it works now. So let's do it. Let's go. So after I bought all the parts, it came out to $650 in total. So I should be able to list it for at least $750, I think. And then that's at least $100 profit. Hopefully I can list it for a little bit more, but I'll have to look at the prices on my market. So we'll see. Alright, so I finished taking pictures and I made the description, and I was gonna put a 1 TB SSD in, but I think I forgot to, and I listed it, and it's been a few hours, it's been about a day now, and no one has messaged except for one scam. So I changed the SSD to a 1 terabyte SSD. Doesn't add any extra cost because I already bought it as part of the bundle. So I'm gonna relist it, and then we'll see if it sells. Everything's working fine. I tested everything, and there's no issues, so that's amazing. So I just sold it for $750, so it's a nice little $100 profit. It's kind of on the low end of what I would like it to be, but now we are $300 closer to getting the A1. So $200 from the last episode when I replaced the guy's motherboard, and then $100 from this episode's flip. So we're getting there. The A1 is $400 with accessories and stuff, so we're almost there. We're inching closer every single time. But it was an amazing build. I love building it. Maybe not the best cable management, but we got the job done. So yeah.